I'm going to show you how to add profile banners on Instagram. This is a brand new feature for 2026, so just make sure that your Instagram is updated to the newest version. So with that said, let's go to Instagram, and you want to go ahead and go to your profile at the bottom right-hand corner. And to add a banner, we need to go to Edit Profile, so that should be underneath your name and your picture and your stats here. So go ahead and click Edit Profile. And you want to go to where it says Banners. And then go ahead, there is a couple banners that you can add with Facebook or WhatsApp or music. We're going to go to fill in the blank, so go ahead and click that. So what we can do here is tap to change. It says current obsession, but you can actually change that. And you can have anything that you really wanted to say here. So let's go ahead and let's go with watching. So what we can do here is type in something that we are watching. So let's just go, I don't know, let's go Stranger Things. And once you're done with your thought, you just want to go ahead and hit save. And now that banner will pop up on your profile. So let's go ahead and back out and go right back to our profile page. And as you see, if you were to refresh the page, the banner ends up being right there. So that's pretty much it. Go ahead and click on the banner itself. You can go here and edit the banner right from here. If you wanted to change this out to something else, let's just write Harry Potter, no big deal. Hit save. And then it will change automatically. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy and a interesting way to customize your Instagram with these programs.